Stop imagining the extremes of nature and come witness the Sahara Desert, where the earth stretches out into infinity. This vast expanse of golden sands and rocky plateaus is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. The Sahara is not just a desert, it's a living, breathing entity that has shaped the history and culture of North Africa for millennia. Spanning the breadth of North Africa, the Sahara is a gigantic canvas, painted by the winds and the sun. The ever-changing landscape is a marvel to behold, with its towering sand dunes, rugged mountains, and hidden oases. Each element of the Sahara tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the relentless passage of time. Covering an area as large as the United States, this desert is more than just sand. It's a mosaic of massive sand dunes, rocky plateaus, and timeless oases. The Sahara's diverse terrain offers a unique glimpse into the geological and climatic forces that have shaped our planet. Imagine dunes towering like skyscrapers, their golden curves shifting with the whims of the desert winds. These majestic formations are constantly in motion, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. The interplay of light and shadow on the dunes is a mesmerizing sight. Here, each grain of sand tells a story of ancient caravans, trading gold, salt, and tales of the unknown. The Sahara has been a crossroads of cultures and civilizations for centuries, with its vast expanse serving as a conduit for trade and communication. So, if you're a traveler at heart, let the Sahara challenge your perspective of what beauty can be. The desert's stark and unforgiving environment is a reminder of the resilience and adaptability of life. As night falls, the Sahara reveals another of its many faces. The clear, unpolluted skies offer a breathtaking view of the stars, with the Milky Way stretching across the heavens in a dazzling display. With the first light of dawn, the Sahara awakens once more. The rising sun casts a warm glow over the desert, illuminating the landscape in a palette of reds, oranges, and golds. Despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara is teeming with life. From the elusive desert fox to the graceful Saharan antelope, the desert is home to a variety of wildlife that has adapted to survive in this extreme environment. The human inhabitants of the Sahara are no less remarkable. The nomadic tribes that call the desert home have developed a deep understanding of the land and its rhythms. Their traditional way of life is a testament to the enduring human spirit. The Sahara is also a treasure trove of history, with ancient ruins and archaeological sites scattered across its vast expanse. These remnants of past civilizations offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region. For the adventurous traveler, the Sahara offers a wealth of activities to explore. From dune bashing and camel trekking to desert camping under the stars, the desert provides a unique and exhilarating experience. As the day draws to a close, the Sahara once again transforms. The setting sun casts long shadows over the dunes, and the desert is bathed in the soft golden light of evening. The Sahara Desert is a place of endless wonder and beauty. Its vast expanse, diverse landscapes, and rich cultural heritage make it a destination like no other. Whether you're seeking adventure, history, or simply a moment of quiet reflection, the Sahara offers an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its sands behind.